Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy Z Flip6 is now here in 4 color options. You guys have yellow, blue, mint, and silver shadow color options there. 2 storage options, 256 gigabytes, $1099.99. 512 gigabytes, $1219.99. New contracts, of course. So there is front and back of the Galaxy Z Flip6. You know, very nice looking phone. If you guys like the flip phone form factor of the phone, the Z Flip6 is the phone for you. Sorry about this here. I guess now it's gonna troll me now with this, I guess. Come on, dude. It's fuck, man. So, yeah, wait for this thing to fucking load here. Alright, let's just do this here. So, front and back of the Galaxy Z Flip6. There's the internal display there with the whole point free front facing camera. There's the back of the phone with the large ass cover screen. Dual camera setup. Flex mode. There it is in flex mode again. Flex mode and whatnot. SIM cards on the left side of the phone. There's the back of the Z Flip6. There's the hinge right there with the Samsung logo, very nice. And there it is with the wide open. You guys got your power button slash fingerprint sensor, power button slash fingerprint sensor, plus your volume keys there on the right side of the phone. So yeah. So I guess the thing is just gonna just load the whole time, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. It says life opens up with Galaxy AI. The tiny yet powerful Galaxy Z Flip6 is compact, durable, and perfect for life on the go. The innovative Flex window lets you reply to text, view photos, and access even more widgets when folded shut. Then unfold to a stunning 6.7-inch display that offers crisp brightness and clarity even when outside. Galaxy Z Flip6 features a 50 megapixel camera for high resolution photos that can be enhanced with Galaxy AI powered photo assist. And if you're feeling creative, you can add decorative objects with sketch to image or generate artistic selfies and portrait studio. With a powerful processor, enhanced battery life, IP48 water resistance, and armor aluminum, Galaxy Z Flip6 is ready for whatever life takes you. Flex a phone as bold as you are with Galaxy Z Flip6 and combine it with Verizon. Alright. So I guess this thing on the side is not going to go away. Sorry about that. Ready reply on the fly with Galaxy AI. Complete simple tasks and send text without opening your phone. On Flex window with Galaxy AI. A quick reply text suggestions based on the content of your conversation. Using Bixby to change songs, hands-free, and more. Personalize from the outside in. Personalize your cover screen to fit your evolving style with wallpapers that change based on time and weather. No matter the moment. There is always something new to see on your Galaxy Z Flip6. Flex, a new way to capture video. Capture social content in a fun new way with capture social content in a fun new way with camcorder mode. When held in flex mode, Galaxy Z Flip6 lets you easily control the cam with one hand and use smooth zoom control to record moments as they happen. Alright. Impressively compact. Big innovation now fits in your pocket or purse with Galaxy Z Flip6. All you need to stay connected and capture gorgeous shots can easily fold to fit into whatever you wear. Perfectly framed pics powered by Galaxy AI. Capture stunning hands-free photos from any angle with FlexCam that frames your shot automatically, whether you are posing in front of a famous locale or want to get the whole group in. AI Flex Zoom will keep everything you want in frame and zoom in for a gorgeously clear photo. Your tiny, mighty translator. Say bye to being lost in translation and hi to fluency in up to 16 languages using interpreter with Galaxy AI. While in flex mode, your phone displays translation on both screens for easy in-person conversation. 2 devices teaming up for your health. Track your health on the go with your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and get deeper insights on your Galaxy Z Flip6. By pairing the two, get personalized health tracking from your wrist and see results and actionable goals conveniently on the flex window of your Galaxy Z Flip6. Seamless connectivity under Galaxy Connected experience. Make the most of every moment with Galaxy connectivity. You can auto switch to Galaxy Buds to enter calls effortlessly and sync to tablet to share files or photos simply with quick share. You can also track your health and fitness when you pair with Galaxy Watch. Lightweight design, heavyweight protection. It's tiny but tough. Galaxy B6 is built to last with Gorilla Victus 2, IP48 water resistance, and an armor aluminum exterior so you can flip worry-free, unfold freely knowing you are covered with a one-time discounted screen replacement offered by Samsung. Alright, so that's very cool, and that looks like I'm gonna be trolled the whole video here. Sorry about that, by the way, guys. Specs: the Galaxy Z Flip6 is 2.83 inches in width. Type-C charging port, obviously. Video records in 4K at 60. Rear camera records in 4K at 60. The storage option is 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes with 12 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. 10 megapixel front-facing camera. F2.2 aperture. 5G ultra wideband. You have Bixby and Google Assistant as your voice assistants. Camera modes: you have 4K video recording, dual preview, AI flex zoom, flex mode, dual recording, slow motion, night, single take, auto framing, and hyperlapse. The screen is a dynamic AMOLED 2x The internal display has a Samsung Ultra thin glass. The cover screen has a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 cover glass. Has 4G, your bands there. Security options, your fingerprint sensor, which is your power button, facial recognition, and knock secure. Got the nationwide Samsung Galaxy, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset there. Wireless charging, fast charging 2.0, hotspot up to 10 devices. Usage time 25 hours. Android 14 with One UI 6.1.1. SAR ratings, the height of the Z Flip6 when it's folded, 3.35 inches height. When it's unfolded, 6.50 inches height. Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and AC8X. Tri-band Wi-Fi there. Color silver, shadow, blue, mint, yellow, and mint. Depth when it's folded, 0.59 inches width, maybe 0.59 inches depth. When it's unfolded, it's 0.27 inches depth. Standby time up to 11 days. The Galaxy Z Flip6 weighs 6.60 ounces. Battery 4000 mAh battery, 120 Hz refresh rate, up to 25 watt. Fast charging. Rear camera 50 megapixel wide camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus. You also have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, fixed focus. Screen size, main display 6.7 inches, cover screen 3.4 inches. Aspect ratio, the main display has a 22 by 9 aspect ratio. That is a 2640 by 1080 pixels. The cover display is a 4:3 aspect ratio, 748 by 720 pixels. Full device 55.3. If you guys need help with your Galaxy Z Flip6, Verizon is here to help you out with that. It says Verizon Online Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. What comes with the Galaxy Z Flip6 is, of course, your Galaxy Z Flip6, your Type-C to Type-C charging cable. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick, quick reference guide, terms and conditions there, and it also comes with the SIM injection tool as well. So you send stuff in the box there. Alright? So yeah, there you guys have it. I got trolled the whole video with this loading thing on the side here, so that was pretty fun. So yeah, there you guys have the Galaxy Z Flip6 is now here at Verizon Prepaid, available in 2 storage options, 256 gigs, $10.99.99, 512 gigs, $12.19.99. 4 storage options, very nice looking phone. So if you guys like the flip phone form factor and stuff like that, this is the phone for you, because it has like the flip phone form factor and stuff like that. It has great features and specs for what it is, obviously. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.